I wish to express my sincere gratitude to Her Majesty's government for the assistance offered to the government of Kenya in supporting part of the implementation of Nairobi Integrated Urban Plan Development through the Nairobi Railway City Project, which is one of the key anchor projects for redevelopment of Nairobi City. The Nairobi Railway City Project seeks to establish a new heart for the betterment of Nairobi in alignment with our vision for Nairobi City County. In partnership with Kenya Railways, one of the NMS support roles has been to ensure that the integrated urban areas and cities development plan that inform the Nairobi Integrated Urban Development Plan are affected seamlessly in the Nairobi Railway Implementation Plan and aligning all of the city development with some of the key outcomes from the UN climate change talks that were held in Glasgow. In readiness with the implementation of Phase 1, the county government has embarked and in some instances completed some of the major transport-oriented infrastructure projects, such as decongestion of the central business district. I think it had been mentioned earlier on here, we'll have different bus terminals that will remove all our PSV vehicles from the CBD, and they'll be located at their various bus terminals.